big players are in the lead and hanging on to first place. So, we have now installed Mr. George North into our judges' booth. One of the players, of course, of the Lions tournament, and well, you've got to say, just in position and ready.
He's a winner. He knows what winning is all about, Tim.
He does get it.
So he's going to be looking for that special winner.
That special edge.
I wish I put shoes on.
We have got a red light on the course due to Lego debris. And we all know what it's like to tread on a Lego brick with bare feet. So
oh my goodness, kneel on a fora at the end. Okay, well I'd just like to point your attention here to something very intricate here. Well, let's introduce them. First of all, Team 31, they are called Here for Beer!
If that doesn't get you, I don't know what you...
Guys, just fantastic. You've made an Apache helicopter. I saw one of these the other day. I was at the skate park in Bradley. So, can you see this on the screen? Are we getting this on the screen? Look, this is a drill. It's a cheap one. It'll still work. I'm joking, lads. I'm joking. And this is going to go up and hopefully turn these blades. We have a green light on course. That means, gents, your 20 seconds starts now. Red Indians mixed with
Hold it.
Oh, jeez. Love it. Didn't even see it coming. Why didn't I do that?
You in? Oh, get in. It's broken. What in? The side.
Loosen the hips up, boys.
Oh, what's your head? What's your head?
Made it!
Just. There's not much of it left.
You only both just sort of made it over. How the...
Am I in below?
Are you actually touching the floor?
Yeah, I am, actually. Apparently we only have 2 wheels. Well, one's still going.
One's still moving, this one.
It's keen. It's a keen wheel. We
had
no brakes to begin with.
You had no brakes?
No brakes whatsoever.
Well,
so it's a good thing it broke.
I'm glad I found that out afterwards.
Good
work, boys. Let's check out the judges' score, see how you got on.
Carl, can you unplug me? Yeah.